Good Thursday morning, and it's not time for lunch. This is a two-parter recipe, an egg omelet, Italian egg omelet, and a sauce. We're gonna make the sauce beforehand, just in case it goes wrong. Yeah, Italian omelet from 1925. My dad wouldn't be born for another 2 years. It just seemed like a fun omelet to make. I'm cutting the recipe by a quarter because I don't want to make a 4-egg omelet today. We're going to make a 3-egg omelet. I can eat that. When it talks about the mushrooms, it says diced. When it mentions the onions and green peppers, it just says 1 green pepper, 1 onion. This is pretty much a whole green pepper. This is half a large onion. I figured that could be a small onion. 3 tablespoons of milk instead of 4 because we're cutting everything by a quarter. Some salt, and then we have a sauce. Oh, and macaroni. Now this is Thai macaroni. It's wheat and rice. Not just rice, which you can get. And the reason I bought these, I don't think the original recipe was talking about our little elbow macaroni. Show the picture again for the armor. 1920 armor macaroni looks pretty much like this. Little curve, longer. I thought this would be better for the omelet. And here's the thing. We're just supposed to cook the macaroni and put it on top of the cheese and egg omelet. No cheese macaroni. Now, I think if this turns out good, if our sauce, we have to make sauce with strained tomatoes. It says strained tomatoes. These are expensive. These were 4 something each. We spared no expense. Just says to put the plain macaroni on top of the egg, fold it over, coat it with the sauce. If this comes out good, I could see trying it with a cheese macaroni in between. Come on, it's an Italian omelet from 1925. I think it's going to be fun. Oh my gosh, and a lot of corn oil. I think it's half a cup. I'm serious. A half a cup of corn oil. So let's stop yapping and let's get to making that sauce. And you know, it'll give the we need. How do we open these? How do you open these? Ingredients. I've never bought this before. Tomatoes. Ingredients, tomatoes. All right. Well, I think I'm just gonna pull this up. I don't get it. You think, you know, someone buying this for the first time. Oh, it says nothing about opening it here. Come on! All right, I guess I'm gonna snip it. Am I missing something? Am I? Come on! How do you open it? Really? All right, okay. Let's do it. There you go. Now, 2 cups of strained tomatoes. Oh, maybe I only needed 1. Damn it, I bought 2. For some reason, I thought I needed 32 ounces. I checked the recipe again, and it says half a cup of corn oil. That's what we're using. Half a cup of corn oil. Just saying. Wow. Let's heat it up. We're gonna need a teaspoon of salt. That's a lot. That's a lot of salt. All right, we don't have to do, we'll go that. All right, that down. So it says a teaspoon. Add flour, salt, and tomato. And we have 2 tablespoons of flour. I know.
I worry it's too many veggies. If I have to add water, I'm going to. And mushrooms. Hey.
A half a cup of corn oil. Can you believe it? I reread it. It's a half a cup. 1/2 a cup of corn oil. Maybe I should have used a skillet. Too late. 1 Italian omelet coming up. We're gonna add in the flour, salt, and tomatoes. Okay. So let's do the flour first. Okay. Mix that around. We'll add the salt in after we add the tomatoes. Let the heat down a little. It's getting thick. All right, in goes the tomatoes. Wow. All right, 2 cups of tomatoes. All right, now a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to simmer this for a little while. It just said until like a cream sauce consistency, but I think it already is. Let's simmer this for about 15 minutes. We'll time it. And then we'll taste it. Isn't that a very nice thickness to top eggs with? Should we take a taste? Just out of curiosity. Yummy. It tastes creamy. Huh. That's a half a cup of oil in here. You wouldn't know it. You wouldn't know there's a half a cup of corn oil in here. It's splattering everywhere. I'm going to simmer for about 15 minutes. This is very nice and thick. That's a beautiful consistency. You know, I never thought of adding a half a cup of oil and flour. I mean, that was, look at that. All right. Oh. Hopefully, it will reheat very well for lunch. That's when we're having our eggs. Wow. That's actually very attractive for our Italian omelet from 1925. I'm going to take another taste. This is a good amount of salt. Look at this. Oh, that looks delicious. All right, let's do it. I was worried I'd have too many vegetables per sauce, but we don't. All right, here we go. Mmm. Oh, it's beautifully thick. Very tomatoey. I think the sodium is just right. Vegetables are soft. All right, I'll see you for lunch. To be continued. we're using fontina cheese. That's Italian. Fontina cheese. There you go.
Why can't I get the... Hey! Oh my god, I did it!
Hey. Here we got a macaroni omelet.
I don't want to overdo it.
Boy, the sauce, really. This is reheated. This is lunch and dinner.
I want to cut it in half. That's what I want to do. So I don't know why. Just want to cut it in half. Can we just move them? Means nothing. That was stupid. Now I can take a corner bite. You know what? It looks delicious. Now remember, this would have been a 4-egg omelet. This 3-egg omelet is totally almost 2 servings for 2 people. I am very excited. This is very exciting. Italian omelet from 1925. It's delicious. Fontina cheese. Let me just let's try one of these. Now, we didn't do the mac and cheese inside. It's just plain macaroni. The rice and wheat are very soft. They are, but I like them. They're different. I think they look better than the elbow macaroni. We like close-ups of food, I gotta say. We salted the sauce and the eggs, and I think it's pretty good. I don't think I have to add any. Let's do it again. 1925 Italian omelet. Totally getting the cheese and the eggs. Maybe it's good that the macaroni isn't in a cheese sauce. I don't know. Because then you got like the macaroni with the sauce. It's almost like spaghetti, but then you add in the cheese with the eggs. Wow. I'm actually really enjoying it. I really am. It's pretty easy, too. The sauce reheated very well. Sata's happy. I'm happy. Oh. All right. Oh. Hey. Thanks for joining me for this 1925 Italian Omelet Thursday. Yell, yell, yell. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? I'm going to want to eat the whole thing. I'm just saying. Thanks for watching. Go!